everybody, Helen here from Texas Twisters, a Cork line dancing group in Ireland. You're very welcome again. So the next dance I'm going to do that we've done in our class this week is one I choreographed myself. It's called Rhythm of the Falling Rain. And for the last 2 weeks, it's done nothing but rain here in Ireland, for goodness sake. I wonder, am I putting a hex on the weather, teaching it and dancing it? But anywho, it's still raining outside today, so here we go. So this is a 4-wall dance and a 32 count, nice and easy. And it starts off again on the right foot, and we're going to walk forward, 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 point out to the side, back, 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 point out to the side. So right foot leads. We're walking right, left, toe out. Reverse it, left, right, right toe out. We repeat that 8 counts, that section. So forward, walk, walk, walk with a point, back, back, back with a point. We all okay to there? We're going to step to the right and step to the left with shoops. You all know what a shoop is? Shoop, shoop, and shoop, shoop. So the steps will be, and we'll slightly turn our body and slightly lead it into the corners at an angle. Right together, right with the touch, and same to the left. Left together, left with a touch. We shoop again to the right, right, left, and we quarter turn this time with the left, right, left turn. Quarter to the left on the left. Left together, left touch. That is the end of your dance. Easy. Told you it was easy. So again, from the start, walking forward and back with points and your shoops right and left with the turn at the end. Here we go. Take a walk for 1, 2, 3.4. Back 5, 6, 7.8. Repeat 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's your shoops. Right, 2, 3, touch for 4, 5, 6, 7, touch for 8. Again, shoop, 2, 3, 4, turn 5, 6, 7, touch 8. And you're ready again to start the dance. Walk, 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 point. Let's put back to music. I'll do the 4 walls with you, and then I've given you your CDs. I think you have your CDs, so you can pop on your CD and work away with that yourself. I've given you all these songs on your CDs. Okay, here we go. Rhythm of the Falling Rain. A lovely sing-along song. Oh, it's the thunder. Umbrellas up.